This is little B Little with her tiny little baby. It's your piglet. There she goes. There she goes. There's B Little with her piglet baby. This is a piglet that was born and was a runt in a miniature pig group. And B Little helped us save her. And so the little piglet B Little has two babies of her own, and so B Little was so happy to take care. Don't put that in her face though.
So cute.
There you go. Get up and
I think it's good for the baby to be snuggled like that.
nipple. She's rooting. She's not looking for a nipple.
You think she's just comforting herself?
Yeah, she's rooting.